25 mind-blowing psychology facts that seriously explain everything. If we have a plan B, our plan A is less likely to work. Fear can feel good if we're not really in danger. Catching a yawn could help us bond. We care more about a single person than about massive tragedies. Beginnings and ends are easier to remember than middles. It takes 5 positive things to outweigh a single negative thing. Food tastes better when someone else makes it. We'd rather know something bad is coming than not know what to expect. We always try to return a favor when one rule seems too strict. We want to break more. Our favorite subject is ourselves. There's a reason we want to squeeze cute things. Our brains try to make boring speeches more interesting. Some people enjoy seeing anger in others. We automatically second-guess ourselves when other people disagree. We aren't as good at multitasking as we think we are. We're convinced that the future is bright. We unintentionally believe what we want to believe. Our brains want us to be lazy. Being lonely is bad for our health. You're programmed to love the music you listened to in high school the most. Memories are more like pieced together pictures than accurate snapshots. There's a reason that certain color combinations are hard on your eyes. Putting information in bite-sized pieces helps us remember. You remember things better if you've been tested on them.